Turnkey 2-bedroom with utilities included. Enjoy easy, affordable living in this beautifully renovated first floor and unit filled with natural light. Rent includes heat, water, and sewer. The tenant pays only the electric, offering exceptional value and simplicity. Step inside to a bright, open floor plan designed for comfortable everyday living and entertaining. The updated kitchen features warm wood cabinetry and flows seamlessly into the dining area. A spacious living room is framed by large windows overlooking a peaceful patio and wooded setting, the perfect backdrop for relaxing at the end of the day. 2 generously sized bedrooms offer double closets and are cable-ready, complemented by a fully renovated bath with dressing station, linen closet, and full bath. Bonus, 3 additional closets for excellent storage. Stylish vinyl flooring and fresh neutral decor throughout make this home truly move-in ready. Additional conveniences include a separate storage unit and washer/dryer access in the neighboring building. Ideally located with quick access to major highways, shopping, parks, and NJ Transit bus and train service, making commuting effortless and